This bumper fascia is ready to bolt on the vehicle. Let's go. Alright, so after when you're done tightening all this three bolts here, make sure nice and snug, and then we're gonna move on the passenger side and then do the same thing. Alright guys, so we're on the passenger side working on the bumper retainer here. Line it up. Right guys, so this side is good now. Everything is all tight and snug, and the last one will be the bottom of the bumper. There's about what, 6 bolts down there, so this is good. Let's go. Alright guys, so you can see we're underneath the bumper, and there's about 8 bolts down here. Right now they're all hand tight. Okay, there's one right there, here, they're all just hand tight. One right here, and then right there, and then at the end over there as well. All just hand tight, and then you're gonna have to you know, of course, tighten them down, and then after that, let's move right on top. Alright guys, so all the bolts down here, all 8 of them, it's all tight all the way across. Down here is done. Let's go on top. Alright, so we're on top. 2 10mm right here, and then the rest is push and retainer. Alright guys, so I tied up all these 2 10 bolts right here, 6 of these push and retainers. Those are ready to go. It's all nice and tight, and this is the fix. This is done. You just need to wipe it down, wash it when you're done, and it's ready to go. So this is how you replace that bumper fascia. And if you have any more questions, just let me know. Like the video, drop a comment, and make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you again on the next video. Thanks for watching.